ihanda ang inyong mga bulsa dahil malamang maramdaman na nito ang epekto ng tensyon sa pagitan ng Israel at Iran. Una na po, sa presyo ng langis na nagbabadyang tumaas ng hanggang halos ₱5 kada litro.
At posibleng magdire-diretso ang taas presyo kung hindi huhupa ang tensyon na posibleng may epekto sa presyo ng pagbiyahe ng mga produkto.
Hi, my name is Lister Malag and I'm discuss the infomercial wall divides education. The cause of war, competition for profit. Schools and review centers are now run like businesses. Their main goal is to get as many enrolls as possible to earn money. Claims of superiority. Every institution claims they are the best, have the most top-notchers, and have the highest passing rate. Result, instead of cooperation, there is competition and sometimes jealousy between schools. They see each other as enemies, not partners in education. And number 2, effect on student and parents. How does it divides the people? Confusion of choice. Students are divided on where to enroll. Some choose based on popularity, others on quality. Social pressure. There is a stigma. Students sometimes feel that if they are not from the famous school seen on TV ads, they are at a disadvantage. Financial burden. Because of heavy advertising, schools spend a lot on marketing, which sometimes result in higher tuition fees. And that's all. Thank you.